So hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to update firmware on Airpods Pro. So guys, lot of iPhone and iPad users and also Airpods Pro users to say Apple released the Airpods Pro beta profile on Airpods Pro. So guys, how to download and install the Airpods Pro beta profile on Airpods Pro. So guys, please make sure you are subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. So guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to download, install and also update firmware on Airpods Pro. So guys, please make sure follow the steps and you can easily download, install the firmware update on the Airpods Pro. So guys, lot of Airpods Pro users to say don't know about how to install the firmware update on your Airpods Pro. So guys, now first of all open the control center and strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and iPad. So guys, Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and iPad. Now again come back in home screens. Now again open the any browser in your iPhone and iPad. In Safari browser you can see also top corner search bar. In search bar search betaprofile.com. So guys, now you can see also first website is betaprofile.com. So guys, now simply tap on that. So guys, now sometime wait, then automatically redirect to betaprofile.com website officially in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, redirect website after you can see also first one is download beta profile. So guys, now simply scroll down and select the Airpods Pro beta profile options. So guys, this website link I give you on description box. So guys, you can easily tap on that and open in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, now you can see also Airpods Pro beta profile available. So guys, simply tap on the install profile. Now again tap on the install anyway. So guys, you can easily this type pop-up show in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, simply tap on the allow. Guys, tap on allow after you can see also profile downloaded. So guys, simply close. Now again come back in home screens and open the settings app. So guys, in settings app you can see also second option is profile downloaded. So guys, simply tap on that. Now you can see also Airpods Pro seed. So guys, simply tap on that. Now you can see also right hand side corner install options. Guys, now first of all Airpods Pro connect to iPhone and iPad. Now again tap on the install. You can easily download and install the Airpods Pro beta versions on your iPhone. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much.